Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire at home. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Deal 7 tableau piles from left to right. The first pile gets 1 card, the second 2, and so forth, up to 7 cards in the last pile. Only the top card of each tableau pile should be face up. The rest of the deck forms your draw pile. Now, let's talk about moving cards. In the tableau, you build down in rank and alternate colors. For example, a red 5 can go on a black 6. You can move individual cards or entire sequences. If a tableau column becomes empty, only a king can fill that space. Your goal is to move all cards to the 4 foundation piles, building them up by suit from ace to king. The draw pile, also known as the stock, is crucial. You can draw cards 1 at a time for an easier game, or 3 at a time for a more challenging experience. Always look for opportunities to use these drawn cards to build on your tableau or foundations. Revealing hidden cards in the tableau is key, as it opens up new moves and helps you progress towards winning the game. You win Solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their respective foundation piles, built up from ace to king. To improve your game, always try to expose hidden cards in the tableau first. Think a few moves ahead before making a decision. Remember, Solitaire is a game of skill and patience, so keep practicing and you'll master it in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.